So just like photographic paper, there are many different kinds of printmaking paper. What I'm holding in my hand is a brand of paper called Arches Watercolor paper. Now what's important to know about paper is that paper comes in surfaces and it comes in weight. Now the weight of the paper means how thick it is. And at first it was very confusing to me. I didn't understand what that meant at all. It really means how heavy it is or how much weight it could hold. This is 140-pound weight paper. This is my preferred paper weight to print on. You can use paper that's 90 pounds or less, but I find that paper to be a little bit too light. You could use paper that's a bit heavier too, but again, I find that paper to be a little bit too heavy. So 140 pounds is exactly what I like. Now there are two different types of surfaces for paper. There's cold and there's hot. Now this particular surface is a nice hot press, meaning that it's very smooth and it really doesn't have a lot of tooth to it. And that's sort of what I like for cyanotypes. A cold press would have what they call tooth, meaning it would have little tiny bumps on it. And for some type of printmaking or some effects, that's what I want. But for today, I'm going to use hot press.